That's 13094, I swear. I swear it's making some weird noise in there. Making some strange noise, man. I don't know if that's the battery or something, because last time I was talking about some beef alpha H making some weird noise that stayed on like the same pitch like that thing is. Someone told me it was like the battery or something like that, so it could be the battery. You know, but it didn't. The last time I heard a weird noise like that on a beef alpha H, it didn't sound exactly like that. You know, so I don't really know, but I think that was 13094. If I'm not mistaken, I think that was 13094. Here come the feds speeding about on that. Oh shit, there's someone inside. Like there's someone inside the bit where they keep all the criminals in. Shit.